So like we said, we're staying in Babcock State Park, which is about 15 miles away from the New River Gorge National Park and Preserve. Even if you don't have to stay here, but this is one, whenever I was doing some research, this was the closest campground, state park campground that I could find. There are lots of other campgrounds that are like commercial campgrounds and that kind of thing, but this one was the closest one that was a state park, had electricity, has shower houses and hot showers and that kind of thing. The campground is laid out a little weird, but it's the sites are spaced apart and it's really nice. But even if you don't camp here, it's worth the visit.
So this morning we are going to make cinnamon rolls in the air fryer because we only have one more day of electricity for this whole trip. The rest is going to be using the generator with the air fryer if we need it. So this morning we're starting off good. We're going to make cinnamon roll bites with some Pillsbury cinnamon rolls.
So just a short drive from the campsites is the real main attraction at Babcock State Park, and that is the Glade Creek Grist Mill. It is one of the most iconic photographed places in West Virginia. It's right up there with the New River Gorge Bridge. It is just amazing, and fall is the best time of the year to get some photography for it. While we were there, we learned a few things about the mill. It's actually a real working mill. You can buy things in the gift shop and the visitor center there that are ground there, cornmeal and buckwheat flour, that kind of stuff. The other thing is, it is a reconstructed mill. It was put together and finished, completed in 1976, but the pieces of it are old. Most of it came from the Stony Creek grist mill, which dates back to the 1890s. But that one, along with several others, kind of were brought together and put into this just real iconic location. We arrived at the mill just a little around 8 o'clock, and there were already photographers in the spot just waiting for the sun to hit just the right angle to highlight the fall foliage right behind the mill. And you know, we joined in on the fun and got to talking with them, and it was really, you know, it was really pretty cool.
So tonight we are having comfort food, my mom's chicken and dumplings, and they are the bomb.